In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple batch listings on Facebook Marketplace step by step. If you've been looking to sell various items at once on Facebook Marketplace, this guide is for you. We'll walk through the process to make it straightforward and efficient, helping you save time and effort, particularly if you have a lot of items to list. So let's get started. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to Facebook. This should be pretty familiar, as you can simply open your web browser of choice and head to www.facebook.com. It might be a good idea to ensure you're already logged into your account, making the subsequent steps smoother. Once you're on Facebook, take a look at the top or left-hand section of the homepage to find your profile icon. Click on that profile icon. This action ensures you have access to all of Facebook's features and are properly signed into your account. Next, you'll need to find the Marketplace icon. It appears as a small stylized storefront and is usually situated on the left-hand side menu on the home page or the app's main page. Click on this icon, which takes you to the Facebook Marketplace, where you'll be carrying out the listing process. Now that you're on the Marketplace page, look for the Sell button. This option will be your gateway to starting the selling process. It should be prominently displayed on the page. Click on it. At this stage, if you don't see it immediately, scrolling might help, as layout designs can vary slightly depending on updates or browser type. Following this, you'll be presented with several selling options. Since our goal is to list multiple items, you'll want to click on Multiple Items. Clicking this option allows you to batch list multiple products all at once, an essential feature for those looking to streamline their sales operation. Remember, this method of uploading listings is not only time-saving, but it also helps you maintain a cohesive look for all your listings. Before proceeding with filling in your item's details, ensure that you have all the relevant information handy, such as item descriptions, prices, and photographs, which will make the process more efficient. I hope this guide makes it easy for you to efficiently list your items. If any questions arise during your process, make sure to consult the Facebook help section or reach out for support. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for joining, and good luck with your sales on Facebook Marketplace.